Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
The first birthday of our birthday girl, no other than, please welcome, Eliana! Happy one more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, lahat po tayo sabay-sabay. Happy first birthday, Eliana! Take out of 3, 2, 1! Okay, wala po bang malakas na pangapanga dyan? Okay, maraming salamat po sa ating mga guests. Pwede na po tayo.
Lalaki siya ng nagagawin ka ba? Wish ko sa kanya is good health, tsaka gagawin natin ang
Siyempre, hindi ko na po patatagalin. Mami, ano din po yung masasabi ko para sa Eliana?
Sa akin lang ay lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos at mabait na bata. At syempre maganda tulad ni Mami.
Ayan. Palapakan naman po natin si Mami and Daddy. So ngayon po, last natin.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
1, 2, 3,
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Say tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Ready? Go! Into one! Pass yourself. Group yourself into 2. Oh. Group yourself into 3. Oh, sino? Saan yung dalawa? Alam, wag mo ito lahat. Wag mo ito lahat. Ayun, bawal po ito lang. Ayun, ate, hindi ka pa, ate, hindi ka pa out. Ayun, kung sino po yung hindi nakabuo ng 3 members, sila po yung tanggal. Pero dahil sample game pa lang, hindi pa sila out. Balik ulit sa bilog. This time, may mga out na. Okay, ready? The vote is sinking. Group yourself into 4. Sige, magtula ka na. Ayun. Group yourself into 2. Group yourself into 3. 3 and kayo talaga. Ayun, kayo talaga. Thank you so much. Okay. The boat is sinking.